Last night and then coming over here, pinapakinggan ko yung recorded niya.
So how long did it take you to write the songs? You and the regular?
No. There were 4 songs. The last 4 songs I did. I wrote in one sitting, one Sunday. That was Sunday. You know why?
Why, sir?
Kasi di ba ano ako?
Yeah, the operation.
Yeah, so I didn't have anything to do.
Which 4 songs were there?
The last 4 songs were in one sitting. Definitely the Van song, the Chris, the Bunny, and the Miguel song.
The Sorry Batch?
The Miguel song is, ang title ng Miguel?
Kitang-kita.
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 Kitang-kita?
Kitang-kita.
Sir, I'm going to interview you. What comes first, the music or the lyrics?
For your song, sabay.
Sir, what, sir?
For your song, sabay. For the songs I made, sabay. Yung, paano kaya? Sabay. Hindi ako nakuha eh. For all the Joey songs,
Ako na lang.
lyrics mo na.
Yun mo yung chicken. Ayos na natin.
How fast before you come up with an idea?
Ano? Sauce? Pasta?
Sometimes very fast.
Ay, wala na.
Yun yung ginawa?
As in, sometimes very fast.
Paano nga ba na pasukan ang gusot na ito? Di kaya kalaing magbabago pagtingin
What are you gonna go content?
No, I'm just gonna add more. I forget.
Hey, the soy sauce is salty, ah.
Oo. It's okay.
What is that?
The breaded chicken.
Gana.
He's making American time.
No, you guys, you're gonna miss this after you leave.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
really gonna miss it. I tell you already now.
Oh, yeah.
Mag-reserva na kayo ng memory banks nyo.
I have a load, believe me, sir. I have a Ziploc of batteries.
Wait, mix it
The
pa.
number of
Paglabas nyo dito,
Use your
boy,
hand na lang.
mamimiss nyo to.
Use your hand na lang.
Tapos, para kayong batch na
Ito.
kailangan mag-reunion kayo lagi dahil makikita kayo
malinis ka.
tapos
Skin.
So much fun.
Reunion tayo na house mo, sir.
sure.
Talaga po? Or do you wanna go to Mbak?
Where? Embassy.
Where's the embassy?
In the fort.
I have it out there.
We'll take you there, sir.
Don't like.
Don't like.
Have you been there?
Yeah,
He's a regular. His name's on the list.
I'm on the permanent guest list.
Or we could just reunite in your house and sing until
So, where do you live ba?
dawn.
Near lang?
You can reunite in the house and sleep over.
Wow.
Yay!
We just make latag in the floor.
Dalawa
Because
lahat.
there's space.
Meron, bro.
I'll stay on the beyond.
Call me. I'm here in 15 minutes.
Kahit po mag-traffic.
Kung traffic, maybe 20. But there's not much traffic here.
Not anymore now that they're fixing the
Yeah,
roads.
they fixed all our roads. And there's not much traffic in our place.
Now that gas price is so high.
Maraming walang tao sa ano.
Yes.